Sam is an online seller. He sells on multiple marketplaces. He is very busy every day receiving orders, packaging and making sure all the parcels are sent out on time. But, has Sam always been paid correctly for everything he sold? Have all the parcels reached customers? As the sales continue growing, Sam needs a team of employees to cross-check his transaction and payment to make sure that he has been paid correctly by the marketplaces. He then needs another team of employees to double-check the work to eliminate human error. This is a really time-consuming and tedious process. But with Payrecon, Sam can manage his payment much easier now. Payrecon automatically reconciles payments from different marketplaces against order received. With Payrecon, Sam can review sales and unpaid payments, manage parcels and generate accounting reports within the same system. Sam and his team can now focus on boosting sales and let Payrecon handle all the tedious accounting reconciliation work.